So we are going to look at the best test apps and website that will allow you to make between 25 to 75 US dollars per hour. So if you are wondering if this is actually true, then I'll request you to stick around all the way till the end of this video for you to gain more value. The only things you need is a laptop or any gadget or device that it allows you to connect to the internet. And of course, you need a stable internet connection. Right. So you don't really require to be a university graduate to do this kind of test. As you are going to see, they pay you a lot. You just need to have those particular gadgets I just told you about. Userpick.com is one of the websites that pays you to test website. As you can see here, all you need to do is to sign up right or visit this particular website, complete some set of tasks and get paid. So just click on register now and you will be taken through some steps. Of course, you'll need to do some trial tests. Now this is the kind of testing. So we need to do some trial test for you to be able to given the opportunity. Right, so you will always receive your payment via PayPal, as you can see here. So the requirements here, of course, you need to have a stable internet connection, as I have already told you about. Also, you need to use a Chrome browser, you need to be 18 years and above, and you need to have a PayPal. So you will be able to earn around 10 US dollar for every 15 to 20 minutes. So let's say it's 20 minutes and 10 US dollar, and we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. So per hour, that means it is 20 into 3, and actually this is 10 into 3, means $30 every hour. That's great. So ensure that you have a PayPal account for doing this side of job. Let's move to the second one. This one is known as testerwork.com. As you can see here, if you want to become a tester, you just click on this link, become a tester. So you can see we are going to test apps for companies like Microsoft, Everton. So how does it work? First, you have to sign up, do some test. Of course, you'll have to test the apps and then you get paid. Procedure is very easy. You can see even testimonials here. Then we have a test to do, right? This is one of the websites that I always recommend. I am not saying that I don't recommend the other ones, but you can check this one first. So you can see here we have become a tester. So you can always click on that so that you enroll, right? So you will get very many gigs or testing gigs here. So just go through this particular website and see the valuable opportunities, right, that require you to test for them. Next one is enrollapp.com. Now the story behind this enrollapp.com, first when I started using it, they are even giving additional online ways to make money, like doing surveys, but I think that they have now narrowed down it to testing apps and website. So it's a good one actually. I have been paid here, right? So you can see the test that have already been done, quite a number. So you can even check out a sample test there before you enroll. Then you can always enroll. I'll ensure you that you will get paid. I have been paid from this website, right? So I know it ins and out. So just click on register and just sign up with your Gmail account. Then we have Userlytics. It is one of the best websites that you can get some job to do some test, right? So if you want to join a large community that actually make their living through testing apps and websites, then you are in the right place. So here you see when you talk about testing apps and website, assuming you have a website like this one, right? And you want to see how the user respond to this kind of website. Those are the things that you're going to test, right? So you keep on testing the background color, the fonts, the navigations. So it's not a very hard stuff, isn't it? The other one is user testing. Yeah, quite a famous one. So user testing also is a web app or a website that offers opportunities for you to do these online testing, right? So all you need to do is to join this particular community, click on here, start. So as an advantage here, you'll always get jobs from different companies and you can always test with them their apps and you get paid. So right, you can check with them. So maybe you're wondering how do they get the job? You see kind of a website, what they do is offer solutions to various companies. So the companies send them their website, their apps, and they also get people who can test those particular apps and website on behalf of other companies. That's how they make money. Okay, the next website we have is web usability, and you can see right here. So you just need to click here to be a tester and then you join them, right? So these are some of the clients: Sony, Highways, England. So these are UK based websites. So it is actually a UK based website, so mostly the jobs will be from the United Kingdom. Right, so you can just check them. There's no harm, just try it. Just click here, become a tester, so you can see what you need to do. Right, so you can see right here that pay typically around 40 to 50 pounds. So you can check with this website and earn a living out of it. Udest is a website that really requires you to maybe have at least some experience or expertise in maybe coding or something. Is this one? But I think also they offer beginners projects, right? So as you get familiar with the project, they'll always give you complicated ones. Then if you click here, then first of all they send you those particular jobs, the projects, and then you will always review them. If you will be able to do them, they give you a period, so you have to either decline if you can't do them right within the particular period, so that they give it to another person. So you can always check with this website and see how it works. So join the community. It's very powerful website, so you can earn a lot of money from these, and you can see the brands that they test for. I saw Facebook here, even Google itself. There is WordPress. They are using logos, and this one is MasterCard, I believe, right? So you can see the kind of organization that they test for. All right, let's look at the other one, Trimata. Trimata offers a lot of testing. As you can see, they offer remote usability testing, e-commerce testing, user experience testing right there. Quite a number of testing options or opportunities. So check with this website, take time to go through it. Join them where it says get paid to test. So they are saying get paid to use website and apps and give your honest opinion and earn between $5 to $30 per test. Right, so just put your email and what are you waiting for, and start earning money. So lastly in our list is testingtime.com. On Trustpilot, opinion and recommendation about this website suggest that it's a good website. Right, so you can see some of the companies it is working with. Right, you can see the reviews here as well. That's what I was talking about. So you can check with them, and if you're around, maybe have used one of the website, you can give your honest feedback within the comment section. So I hope that you will like this video and you found this video valuable. If you are interested in user testing, then these are your go-to website. Do try them out. These are authentic ones, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.